Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a logo without any graphic design skills. So here let me show you an AI tool that is very useful. So if you want to create any type of logo, then this tool is going to be very helpful for you. Here you can type Design Arena. Then this one is the website designarena.ai. You can open it. Now let me scroll down. Here you can see these are the different options that you can easily use. You can create images, videos, you can develop games, you can use text to speech feature, you can also create 3D designs. So at this moment I want to use this one, logo. So make sure that you have clicked this option. After that, now you can type anything. For example, let me go here and open ChatGPT. Create a prompt for enable website design. Here you can see prompt is ready. I can copy it and then add this prompt here. After that, click here this button. Then we need to create a free account. Now I need to select one of the Google account from here. Let me select this one. Scroll down and allow access. This one, click here, continue button. After that, again click here. And here you can see it is generating logo. So within couple of seconds, logo will be ready. Okay, now let me scroll down. Here you can see we got two logos. So both are very professional and elegant. Here we need to select one of the option. For example, I want to keep this one, option A. Okay, now I can also expand these designs from here, and then you can select your desired format. Then you can easily export these files into your laptop. And one of the most important thing is that these are the copyright free logos. So you will not get any type of copyright issues, as these are unique. They are not available anywhere. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.